Hi there, this is DJ from On Point FX. This video is going to guide you on how to quickly register with TradingView and how to also use that platform as well. So you quickly go to your search box, preferably Chrome, and type tradingview.com and press enter. It quickly takes you straight to the TradingView website. Now, if you look at the top right corner between the English section and the Get Started, you come across a profile icon. Click on it and click Sign In. Now, you've been given the opportunity to also sign in with your Google, which is very, very fast. So you just come to Sign In with Google, click on it. A pop-up appears for you to fill in your credentials. So you type in your email. Then you click Next. Insert your password. Click Next. Now, you have to click on Confirm to show that you are the one signing into TradingView. Great. So the website will also open up a different interface for you to either receive marketing emails with special offers, or you have read and agreed with what the terms and conditions. So just make sure you can click on only the second box and continue to next. If you click on the first box, you are likely to receive a lot of emails from them or newsletters from them. So just click on the second box and continue with next. Now you've been given access to the TradingView website. So what you simply have to do is to go to the top, place your mouse or your cursor on products, a drop-down menu will come, click on Super Chats. Great. Now you've been given the opportunity to have the charts showing. Now, what you have to do is to maintain a clean chart. So first of all, we'll have to come to our far right side and clear everything over here. So if you look at the right side of each item you see on the screen, you can come across a close button there. Just click on that close button to close everything. So just keep on closing so everything is gone. Very good. Now, if you see this pop-up message, please note we've moved the new calendars and added information about dividends. Just click on it. Now, when you come to the second area here, so this is our first part, this is the second part. There's a border behind it. You go to the right corner where the three dots are, that is the settings. You click there and you uncheck all the boxes. Great. Now, what you do with that, you would place your cursor on the border. There's a border that separates the first part from the second part. So you go to the border here for the max change, you click and you drag it all the way down. Very good. Now, when you want to let this area go to maintain only the charts, what you have to do is hit the button, which is the watchlist, selected and click on it. It quickly goes, leaving only the charts, right? Now, since you are using a free version, you would always receive ads or advertisements. So what you have to do is to just simply close the advertisements over here. Great. Now, looking at your far left at the bottom, you'll come across a dust bin or a recycle bin. What you have to do is to just click on it and click on remove one indicator. Very good. Now, you've been able to set clean charts. So now let's quickly look at how to search for currency pairs and how to also add them to the watch list. Now, what you have to do is to quickly go to the search box over here where they've written AAPL, click on it, and type the currency you want to search for, the currency pair you want to search for. So I'm going to GBP USD. Now, looking at my far right, you can come across FXCM, Wanda, Forex.com, Pepperstone, and the rest. All these are what we call market sources. Okay, so if you select FXCM on GBPUSD, you would have to use FXCM throughout. If you select Wanda on GBPUSD, you have to use what Wanda throughout. But mostly, you can select Wanda. Now, from here, if you want to add this to your watch list, what you have to do is to quickly right click, go to add GBP USD to watch list, and you just click on the box. So you just check the box. Automatically, it appears as the only currency pair on your watch list. Okay, great. So now you can come and this connect. Then a pop-up menu comes. So currently we are using a cross. You can change it to the what? The arrow. Okay. But let's just maintain the cross for now. Okay. Now we move on to the second item on the left, which is our trend line. Over here too, there's a small arrow attached to it. You click on it and you have several objects you can use on your charts. So let's pick the trend line, for instance, the first one. So you click on the trend line. In order to use this tool, what you have to do is to left click for it to open, then just move the mouse around. And if you want to close it or you want it to stop moving, you left click again. Now that is it. If you want to delete it, what you have to do is to click on the trend line and click on delete or remove button here. Automatically it deletes. Okay. Now over here, you also have lines. But the horizontal array, it is just once. Once you just click on it, it just forms, and that is it. If you want to delete, you just click on it, come to the top here, and click on it. Now, the next one is what we call the geometric shapes. So with the geometric shapes, this is what you mostly use in drawing your support and your resistance sections. Okay. So now, if you want to draw a resistance or a support, you just have to come and select the rectangle over here. That is after clicking the object with the brush. Okay, so there's a mouse touch already. Click on it now, and just click on the rectangle. Now, if you want to draw a resistance area, you could quickly just left click on a mouse. Okay, then you draw the range at which you want to show the resistance area. Okay, then you left click again for the rectangle to stop moving. Right. Now, if you want to delete this, what do? You click on a rectangle, then you click on remove. Okay. So that is for the resistance. If you also want to draw a support, it's also the same procedure. Okay. It's also the same procedure. Yeah. You could also click on the rectangle here and just draw support. So this is just a sample. This is not actually a real support, but it's just a sample I'm making. Now, if you want to delete this rectangle, you just click on it and click on delete. Okay. Now, that is all for now. Let's quickly go to how to add time frames. Now, you come to the top right corner or where the menu bar is. You click on the D symbol here. Now, this D symbol represents the time frames. You click on it, and with our style of trading, we need only 5 time frames. Okay, so the first one is the daily. Okay, the next one is the 4 hours. The next one is the 1 hour. The next one is 30 minutes, and the last one is what? 15 minutes. So all you need to do is just click on the star symbols for them to be added to your favorites. Okay. Now over here, all these have now appeared. First, it was the daily time frame, but now we have other time frames there as well. So this is what you need. Also, In order to add currencies to your watch list is very simple. Now we've only added GBP USD. However, if you want to add a different currency pair, let's say the Australian dollar against the Swiss franc, you just type it there, which is odd CHF. Okay. Then you look out for Wanda, which I prefer to use. Great. Now, when you come here and you want to add this to your watch list, all you need to do is to right click, go to add odd CHF to watch list, and just check the box. Quickly, it will appear here as well. Let's do that again. You right click, very good. It has now appeared here. Very good. Now, that is all you need to do with TradingView. Now, in order for you to see a clear chart, usually if you log in, you may come across longer candlesticks like this. You may not see the chart clearly and all that. All what you need to do is to right click and select Reset Chart View. Just click on it. Then the chart will come back to being what? Normal. Thank you all for watching.